looking at the airport facility directory, ladies and gentlemen, as we're going into Class Bravo airspace. That is the highest and busiest classification of airspace in the United States. Only about 25 airports have that. Charlotte is one of them. So translate that as very busy. And so we're making sure we have the right there's two frequencies to get information, and we are going to make sure we get the right one. Departure ATIS. Arrival 121.15, so we are correctly set. And the ATIS departure is 132.1. And then approach will be 134.75. You can see on your screen, ladies and gentlemen, all these departure and approach frequencies are for the different quadrants of a circle, of the different directions that traffic will approach the Charlotte Airport from. That's how busy it is. For each piece of the pie, it has a different approach frequency. So we're coming from the east, we'll be using 134.75. We'll come back to that in a minute. Our GPS is telling our direct course to the Charlotte Airport is 278, so we're going to set our yellow heading bug. And that probably will not hold. ATC will probably vector us. Now, until we're cleared in the Class Bravo airspace, John and I need to make sure that we don't fly into the Class Bravo airspace. Which at Wilgrove, my beat up little map here is this little dot, orange, purple thing is Wilgrove. And if we verify on our map, however tattered and torn it is, that the bottom of Class Bravo airspace starts at 6,000 feet above sea level and it ends at 10,000. And if you notice this blue line, Wilgrove is right on the border of a different piece, which starts at 3,600. So we want to make sure that this does not read 3,600 or higher until we have been cleared into the Class Bravo airspace, ladies and gentlemen.
Well done, sir.
By the way, if you have any questions or comments, complaints about NAP Production Videos Incorporated, please call 1-800, I don't know. No.
Well, your passengers have not been given peanuts yet. I don't know when that comes, but they're anxiously anticipating that.
We've got a good first stewardess here in our co-pilot seat. We're going to do a soft mag check. We checked our magnetos before leaving Monroe. We're just going to do a soft one, means we don't rev it up as high. We make sure we get a drop, and we do on the right. And we do on the left. And if we turn them all the way off, the engine will cut down, shut off. Up. And I turn it off and then back on so that magnetos ground properly. We'll do one soft prop cycle. And we got our RPM drop, so the pitch of the propeller is working, is adjustable. Carburetor heat, which will not be used today, is just too darn hot. And we get a very slight drop, not much, because it's just so warm today. Auxiliary fuel pump. Auxiliary fuel pump works. In case an engine-driven fuel pump fails, we have a backup. Okay, just make sure we got our checklist covered. We're going to 20 degrees flaps because the high heat helps us with the lift. The hotter it is, the less lift that you get, so that the flaps will help compensate that. Pitot heat, we don't need pitot heat today, obviously. Our magnetic compass is going to be used to set our directional indicators. Air conditioning is off. Oh, wait a minute, we don't have it.
I can attest to that.
Doors and windows. You can actually leave the windows open if you want.
Don't matter.
So if we can take off with them open.
Yeah, let's do it.
When you get up to altitude, it'll cool down in here. The landing light on, strobes on, and I think we're ready to go. Co-pilot Knapp, are you ready?
Yeah, wheels are down on my side too, in case you're wondering.
That's good. Good to know. Wilgrove traffic, Skylane 35 Whiskey Sierra is departing runway 17 Wilgrove. Screwing in my throttle. There we go. Okay, we are on the center line. Our 24 RPM, oil pressure is good, oil temperature is good.